I'm Jude. And this mommy.
And what are we going to prepare today, Jude?
Broccoli.
Is this a broccoli?
No.
What's that?
Cauliflower cheese.
Oh, cheesy cauliflower?
Cheesy cauliflower. Yeah.
Okay. And is cauliflower a vegetable?
Yeah.
Yeah, and does it look like another vegetable?
No.
No, not in color, in shape. How about broccoli?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Does it look like broccoli?
It's like
That's,
that broccoli.
yeah, the color of this one is,
White.
and the broccoli is green.
White broccoli.
No, white cauliflower. Okay, so our recipe is easy. It's cheesy. Is it cheesy?
Yes.
Yeah. Does it look like a brain to you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks like a brain.
It's inside of the brain.
Inside our heads we have a brain, but the cauliflower doesn't have a brain inside. It looks like a brain, right?
Yeah.
No. And what do we need, Jude?
Cauliflower, yogurt, cheese, and water, and
Garlic powder,
curry powder,
mustard, and hemp seeds.
mustard, and hemp seeds.
Okay, so for this recipe, you can use a medium cauliflower. I did cut mine. I did trim the sides of it because it was really big. And you have to core it. We core it.
No, Mommy, let me finish here.
Yes, we did core that. There's two ways to cook this.
This is hard.
Yeah, you can either cook it in the microwave, and this is what we are going to do, or you can steam it until it's tender by the fork, around 12 minutes on the stovetop. What are we going to do? Because we want the sauce to go inside, we are going to core just some pieces out from here, and then we're gonna put them in the same bowl. Just some. We will put them aside. Don't throw anything from the cauliflower, not even the trimmed part. The core, you can cut that, you can steam it, and you can make a sauce out from it. Not too much. Okay. Are we having now some holes?
Eyes.
Eyes?
Yeah.
You see them as eyes?
Yeah.
So are we making eyes for the brain?
Yeah. Eyes for the brain, yes.
Okay. You don't have to do that. Okay, let's. Here. And here.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah.
Okay. We will put this inside a safe bowl that you can use in the microwave. We will add half a quarter cup of water. That's enough. We don't want them all. You want to drink it?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we will cook it in the microwave for around 9 minutes until it's fork tender. As the cauliflower is being cooked in the microwave, we can mix our sauce. So we have here 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and we are going to add.
Put it or no?
No, we are going to add this into this.
Yeah, put it.
We are going to add 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard.
And then let me mix it.
Okay. And then we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Put it here.
And you also can add 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. No. And mix. As simple as this. Can you show them?
Yeah.
And as you can see, we have here a light yellow color, really light. So that's why if you use the yellow mustard, it's gonna be darker.
I can eat it.
You want to try it? Okay. What do you think?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, kids approved. So let's check on our cauliflower. Our cauliflower is ready. What we need to do now is to add the sauce on top of it and on the sides, and then we will sprinkle cheese on top of it and then put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes until the cheese melts. Alternatively, if you steam the cauliflower, take it. Oh, don't forget to drain the water that we added. If there was any left, drain them before. If you steam the cauliflower, drain it and put it in a baking sheet, and then add the same ingredients we're adding now and put it in the oven, a preheated oven on 350 degrees for around 5 minutes maybe, until only the cheese melts, and then you are ready to go. Okay, Jude, do you want to put the sauce all over?
Yes.
Yes.
Put it?
Yes. Take big spoons. Yeah. Add the sauce.
This?
Yes. If you want the sauce to be to cover it all, you can cut the cauliflower into really small florets and then mix them all together. But we like the brain shape, and that's why we are going to keep it as whole.
Oh,
Yes, that's fine.
did I do it or not?
Yes. He's enjoying that. You have to put on all the parts.
I want more. I want.
You spread them?
Yeah.
Okay, spread. I'm gonna add them and you spread them. Try to cover all the sides. Cauliflower is good for your kids' bones, muscles, and growth. And it's also loaded in vitamin C.
I can eat it.
You want to eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. And the purpose of this one is to decrease the fattiness in the regular mac and cheese. We're not comparing this one to mac and cheese. Definitely we're not. A better option. Okay, I think we're good.
I'm putting more.
Okay, let's sprinkle some cheese.
Yeah.
We have here 1/2 cup of Monterey Jack cheese and 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Depending on the size of your cauliflower, you use the other ingredients. Sprinkle them all over. On the sides, not only on the top, because we need every bite to be loaded. Typical Jude. And that's why I said don't throw any parts of the cauliflower. You can put them underneath and then you can enjoy them. Two. Let's add the cheddar. We don't need to add them all, okay, Jude? I think as a total of 3/4 cups is more than enough for the size that I have.
You put this on?
So we have to put this one, all of it?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. And with the one that you're eating?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to put this in the microwave.
Cheese melts it.
So here we go. That's our cauliflower cheesy brain. What are we going to do now, Jude? Sprinkle the hemp seeds on top.
Yeah.
Hemp seeds are a great source of omega-3 and omega-6. And that's our breadcrumbs. Go ahead, dig in. What do you think? Is it that yummy?
Yeah.
Okay, what are we going to tell our friends?
Goodbye.